Foreign currency transactions. After you create foreign currency suppliers, you can enter foreign currency supplier invoices. Go to Suppliers, Transactions, select Supplier Invoices and click Add Supplier Invoice. You can select the supplier from this drop-down menu. Now we have created this supplier as a foreign currency supplier, and after you select the supplier, you can see exchange rate will display. Now we haven't selected any supplier, that exchange rate not available here, and our home currencies South African rand R will display here. Now we will select our foreign currency supplier. Now you can see this exchange rate will display here and GBP rate will display. If you want to change the exchange rate, you can change rate from here by clicking change rate button, and you can edit the exchange rate. And update. You can select item, now you can see price will display in GBP, and also you can view the home currency also. You can view foreign currency and home currency. Total also you can view foreign currency and home currency. You can save this transaction. Next we will enter customer invoice. You can go to customer, select transactions, select customer invoice, select add a tax invoice, now in this screen also, if you select foreign currency supplier, exchange rate will display here. Now we will not select any supplier, and that balance will display in ZAR or R. Credit limit will display in R, and after you select the foreign currency customer, balance will display in dollars, credit limit will display in dollars, and exchange rate will display here. If you want to change the exchange rate, you can change by clicking the change rate button. You can select new custom exchange rate. You can enter the exchange rate, and you can update. Now you can select the customer, and you can select the item. System will display in price in USD, and you can view the home currency. You can view total in dollars or foreign currency and home currency. After that, you can save this transaction.